Let R be a relation on n cross n defined by AB related to CD by AD B plus C is equal to BC A plus D. We have to show that R is an equivalence relation. So first of all we will take the ordered pair. Ordered pair is B plus C upon BC is equal to A plus D upon AD. Why we are taking this relation and simplifying it? Because we want to establish a relation between the two components within a ordered pair. So from here I got 1 by C plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by D plus 1 by A, and then I can write 1 by C minus 1 by D equal to 1 by A minus 1 by B. If I write properly, rewrite it as 1 by A minus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by D, and this will imply that AB is related to CD. To see, now we have established a relation between two components of an ordered pair. Now for reflexive property. For reflexive property, as you know, we have to take only one element. So I have taken the element A, B belonging to n cross n. For this element, I can say 1 upon A minus 1 upon B is equal to 1 by A minus 1 upon B. It means A comma B related to A comma B, means the relation will be reflexive. For symmetricity, I will take two elements and one relation. So I have taken let AB CD belonging to n cross n such that AB is related to CD. Now if AB is related to CD, I can say 1 upon A minus 1 upon B equal to 1 upon C minus 1 upon D, and then I can reverse the places of these two. So if I reverse the place of these two, I will get what? 1 upon C minus 1 upon D equal to 1 upon A minus 1 upon B, which is implying that CD is related to AB. If CD is related to AB, then R will be symmetric. Now come to the transitive case. In transitive, we have three elements A, B, C, D and E, F belonging to n cross n, and there should be two relations which should be continuous. So continuous means AB related to CD and CD related to EF. Now if AB is related to CD, I can say 1 upon A minus 1 upon B equal to 1 upon C minus 1 upon D, and CD related to EF, I can say 1 upon C minus 1 upon D equal to 1 upon E minus 1 upon F. From here I can say 1 upon A minus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon E minus 1 upon F. This will imply that AB is related to EF, and hence R is transitive. And since R is reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive, therefore R will be an equivalence relation.